Look at how pretty the water is today. It's very still. There's no wind at all. Such a great day. Summertime is coming and I'm so excited. I'm currently walking around Oriental Parade and I'm on my way to my brow appointment, which is at 2:45. It's currently 1:30 and I chose to walk on the other route because normally I would walk around the tunnel, but since it's such a nice day today, I'd rather walk along the beach, and it's such a fine day, no wind at all, which is amazing. So yeah. And there's actually a lot of people at the beach today. If you guys live in Wellington or visiting and you're around Oriental Parade, there's an ice cream place down there called Cafe Ice, and I promise you they do the best ice cream in town. It is literally located by the beach, so it's behind me, and the beach is just here. Wellington is always great on a good day. Got my ice cream. Is it just me, or is anyone else out there eat the ice cream with a spoon? Here again to get my brows done, my trusted place off and on. This is my before and this is after. It looks a little bit scary at the moment, but within 24 hours it will fade because I got the henna done. But oh my goodness, I love my brows. It's so pretty and it matches my hair. So now I'm off home. I actually might go for a walk back home and take the same route as I did before because it's still quite a nice day. Actually, I might go to the pharmacy because I need to buy some contact solution, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I went by the bakery, or stopped by at the bakery, and bought myself a chicken pie and a bottle of water, and I'm currently sitting at the park across New Road. I totally forgot what it's called, but that's Te Papa Museum right there. And yeah, it has the best afternoon sun. Sorry if I'm squinting a little bit because the sun is directly into my face, but I have just finished getting my brows done and it's so beautiful. And then I did a little bit of window shopping here and there, but I didn't really buy stuff except for maybe like 3 basic tops and a sandal and an earring, which I will show you guys once I get home. But at the moment it's such a nice day that I just want to relax and enjoy the sun. I'm actually planning to walk home, but I got hungry, so I might just have my afternoon tea in the park and just chill for a bit. These stairs are definitely not my best friend. Finally home, and oh my goodness, the room is a mess. Anyway, I'll show you guys a little haul on what I purchased today. I stopped by the pharmacy and I bought some contact solution, and this is my favorite. It comes with a case, and this is the contact solution, which is so cute, and this is 200 mils. I also stopped by Miru, which is like a cheap clothing store, and purchased a few basics because I don't really want to spend a lot of money on basics, you know. It's just something that you wear underneath coat, and also the fact that basics, you can wear them multiple times and style them multiple times and no one really can tell. I purchased this sandals right here from Miru, and this one cost $25, so basically $24.90, and I thought it's really cute. I have seen this sandals from Romwe, but I didn't really want to buy them, so I'm glad that I found these, and these are cute statement piece because I usually wear all black outfit, and I thought I could add color with these sandals. And then I got 3 singlets, spaghetti strap top, which can be great jeans, shorts, or even just underneath. So this is what I got. And then I got another color, which is sort of like a brown beigey color. And then I got a bodysuit in black, which would be great if I am going to wear anything with jeans. And then last but not the least, on the same shop, I purchased a pair of earrings, and this one cost me $6, and that's what it looks like. I think it's cute, it's dainty, and it is very trendy at the moment. It's so pretty. And that's basically what I hauled today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.